Matron, take them away.
Okay, we're going to scalp a couple of quid out of gold. We can actually do 60p a unit. We don't need to do a great deal. So we're just going to go straight to market. Bang. There we go. TP there. I'm just going to drop that down onto this. Open this up. And we'll watch it come in. Now, all I've got to do is a couple of quid on here. Now, let me kind of show you where this is coming from. I've already done my analysis and everything on it this morning. So I'm just looking for a quick spurt short. Actually, if I just pull this into center, I'll kind of show you where I'm targeting. I'm targeting the baseline of the Bollinger Band, which is a 20 moving average running here. Now, it's rejected these levels at this point, showing me that there's a downward pressure inside it. Now, this is on a 15-minute chart, and you can see it's rejected there. It's come through, it's pushed down, it's tried to come back up, rejected the levels again, and then down. So the next bounce point is around this moving average, which is coming in now. And from there, if I push this out to an hourly, you'll start seeing why that rejection is in. Because it's come up, and you can see the moving average is bent in. This is closing in on itself, so it's effectively going to go into some form of a range in the short period. And it's going to bounce between these 2 points. So I'm still happy that this is a short play because of this. You know, it's bouncing between that section, and the next bounce point is here. So we'll take it into 5 minutes. You can see it a little bit more cleanly. Again, you can see it's pushed up, found the level, shot down, come underneath this moving average, and is now holding there. So I just need to let it do its thing. Why am I saying only a couple of quid? Well, if I pull this across, you'll be able to see it. What we're looking at with, really need to fill this in because actually I did it just before I went on holiday. I need to fill in the last few bits that I did while I was away, which I'll do today. I only need this bit here. If you haven't seen me for a while, it is because it's my first day back from Hull. And I did do a couple of cheeky little trades while I was away. This might actually show you where those cheeky little trades are. I did actually make a mistake while I was there, funny enough. Last week. Where are we at? Let me just find this for you. When did I go away? So I'll have to do custom because it's only saying like last couple of days. So I went away on the 17th. So it was around this time here. What's the date today? Date is 29th. So if I just drop that in. So that's the period I was away on holiday. And as you can see, I was doing quite well. We did 29.64. So 29.64 is what I did prior. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in as a full lot. I'll show you that in just a second. So 571 or 5 50. So 29.64. That should be back on track. Yes, it is. Okay. So I'll take that back to what we do today, because I like to see what we do on a daily basis. Just drop that down there, and just so you can see what I've been doing with my sheet. I just rounded all of the figures up. It was all gold, as you saw. Gold. It's always golden eye what I do first morning. I'll just put in short because predominantly it has been short. I'm just going to put holiday here because that's what I was doing. And it was the early surge. Okay. If you're not seeing this sheet before, it helps me track what I'm doing. So we're up to 669, which means that I can effectively move up my bid sizes to 60. Now, with this, just drop that into there. It caps what I'm doing at any one time. Now, I'm doing 100% of market at the moment, straight in, boom, sorted. I only need to do 254 in order to hit my target, but I've already achieved it. I've smashed through it. Now, for me, I'll be looking to sort of continue that at around 10%, because you can do it very easily with small amounts. As you get into sort of big amounts, it gets a lot harder. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to farm profits for May. Now, I'll do a separate video on that, and what it means is we're actually going to recycle the profits we've made to maybe buy a prop, Darwin X, but basically use the profits here to cycle into something else. Right, there we go. We're into more motion now. We can see I can kill this off anytime I choose now because it's done what I need it to do. So let me just keep half an eye on that. As soon as it goes over £3, I'll kill it. I should have killed it prior, but as normal, I was talking to you a lot. Oh, balls, it's run away. One of the bad things about trading the way that we're doing here is, all right, come on down. Still think you've got legs to go down. Okay, okay, okay. Naughty, naughty. So it's gold. It is gold now. We were short. I'm in a good mood this morning. Obviously just come back from Halls, and we're looking at the early surge again. It's pretty much all we're looking at. Now, you don't have to go sort of full testament on this. I look more for trades that I've got wrong than I do for trades I got right. I know what my plan is, I know what I'm looking for, and once I've got it in place, I'm happy. Now, I'm well over target, so I could kill that any time. Right, there we go. There's our, bollocks, I missed it again. There's our £3. Sorted. Okay, so if I go to there, 306, exactly what I wanted. It's above what I set in to target. 306. Boom. That's another day. That's this account complete. That is there. So we're looking good. We're looking healthy. And as you can see, we've held our win rates reasonably okay. We're not going to get them right all the time, but as long as we keep it relatively high, it'll be fine. Stay in line with my targets. Fine. And this will look after itself. Now, when I start doing earnings, it'll start taking money out, but it'll keep an eye on what the gross is. So it'll always tell me how much I made in the year, but it'll also tell me how well I'm doing. And I was right to pull that out. So happy days. Okay, this was just a quick one to show you a little bit. I'm going to do a lot more with the small accounts because it was what was requested in the poll from you guys. So that's it. I did my time management one. It's a good video to watch. Shows you what I do, when I do it throughout the day, and more importantly, why I do it. And that's it. This account is now done for a day. Do it again tomorrow. And that keeps your consistency going. 8 o'clock, I'll start looking at the FTSE account. After 9, I'll start looking at my wage account. And then later on tonight, I'll look at swing accounts. Simple stuff, guys. So as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you on the next one.